afternoon, and today we're going to play Raffle Stars Horse Racing. And today we are going to test ride our new horse. Here comes Summer Storm. And let's go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more updates, and make sure to have more love and support on the channel, my official channel, Andy James YouTube channel 2007. And now we're going to race. And here we go.
Waiting for the start at 3 Oaks. Summer Storm looking to make bookies unhappy.
So look at that. Where are you? This is my horse. A crossbreed against a lot of thoroughbreds. Let's do this.
Gate Spring, Apple Aurora shows great natural pace. Also running well is Dolo Foghorn. Pounding down the course, it's Summer Storm. On the inside, it's Apple Aurora. Dolo Foghorn in third from Serene Summer. Summer Storm maintaining the lead. Apple Aurora in second place, putting in a strong bid with Dolo Foghorn. And then it's Great Bestseller. Apple Aurora controlling the race. Summer Storm seems to be in a good position, just has a margin over Dolo Foghorn. A length away, it's Great Bestseller. Heads up and down with Contemporary Arsenal. Pounding down the course, it's Apple Aurora. Dolo Foghorn, watch the front. Summer Storm in first position. Travelling on the rails, it's Dolo Foghorn.
And we did it.
Just in front of
Summer Storm wins the race.
In third, wins the race, gets the money.
We get the money. Bam, wicked, we did it.